What's up, you guys? We're back at it with another video. I'm finally back from that other tattoo trip. Here's some of the work that I did. Alright, so was a great trip. I'm glad to be home because, you know, we got to get cracking on these other projects. But I wasn't expecting to come home to what I came home to. So all the body work was done in the last video like we showed you guys. It was pretty much just, the guys just had to sand everything and, you know, paint it, and they still have a couple little last minute touches to do, but you guys got to check this out. And before I kind of show you guys the whole 190T, just like the title says, this is going to be pretty much the last video of the truck for a little while. So we got done with everything we had to get done, you know, body work, making the car to a truck. It's a 190T, it's a freaking ute. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. Let me just show you guys pretty much what they did. And I might throw like a beginning to end video, the next video, you know, of how it all came together. The story of the 190T. That might be the next video name, so look out for that. The story of 190T, or beginning to end, something like that. Anyways, let me show you guys this paint job because it came out freaking beautiful. Alright? I'm gonna shut up. I'm rambling now. But before I get to that, gotta do one of these bad boys. Bam! Beard update. What y'all think? Let me know what you guys think of this freaking beard. I have till December 7th is at 1 year, so keep an eye out for that. As for this truck, you guys, yeah, she's painted. It's a little dirty. Rained here, you can see that, but the bed is all rhino lined. Fuel cell isn't exactly in, but you know, it's sitting in place where it's gonna go. But guys, it's one freaking color. Check this out. Get back a little bit more. God damn, right? Now, owner still needs headlights and bumper, but I mean, let me know what you guys think. They freaking cracked down. Still needs tail lights. And with that really being said, the owner's gonna be taking the 190T home and buttoning it up, getting all the last, you know, appearance stuff done. And after it's done running good, because he has some electrical to go through, he's gonna finish the interior. But our part's done. It's a truck. He got what he wanted. I mean, it came out freaking amazing, we think. I mean, let us know what you guys think. But yeah, like I was saying before, this is going to be the last 190T video for a while. If you guys want to follow the build and see what else is going to go on, I'll shoot you guys the Instagram page right here and at the end of the video, so you guys can follow the build, see what else Tony Man is going to be doing to this. And later on, we'll do that twin turbo setup. But first, now that it's a truck, has to get it to run right. Once it's done running right, then we're gonna start pumping some power at it. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I don't know. It's been a long journey, guys. I appreciate you guys sticking along for this build. I mean, it's been amazing, but it's hitting that point to where it's almost done, and it's gonna be, you know, on the road. And I know that's what you guys are looking forward to, and it'll be on the road soon. Okay, I can promise you that. It's going to be freaking amazing. And you're probably thinking, damn, you're talking a lot. 190T's going away. Now what? What has this page got to offer us now? You know, what kind of content? Because, you know, the main thing was this 190T build. We got another project for you. All right? And I'll introduce that project in another video. But for now, to hype you guys up, it's going to be different. Extremely different, bigger, and I'm not sure how or what I'm really going to call it yet. I'll wait for the introduction. So stay tuned for this new project that's coming up on this page for you guys. Till then, later.